Hello, good morning! Saan tayo magpunta today?
Sa MSU.
Wow!
Saan kayo?
Saan kayo? Nandito ako. Ikaw, saan ka? Ano pa ang alam mo? Ano? Ano ang?
Ulam. Ano ang ulam?
Ano pang alam mo? Ano ang pangalan? Paano sabihin?
Ano pangalan mo?
Ha?
Pangalan.
Anong pangalan mo? Grabe.
Anong pangalan mo?
Good job. Very good. One more. Hey, you guys! That's photo. I-thumbnail natin, okay? Alis po tayo for today's vlog. Punta po tayo sa MN Zoo. Photo! Wow!
Hey, you guys!
Tingnan nyo. Patingin na ano mo, be. Pakita mo salamin mo. Tingnan nyo. Kay nakita niya ang nanay niya nakaganito. Sabi niya, Mama, I want my ang kanyang salamin daw. Kunin din. Ilagay niya sa sa ulo niya. Look at your son, mahal. He's doing it like that because he saw it that I'm doing. Kapuya, laging English. Dali na. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. So, here. Oh.
So,
Tingnan mo kay Mama sa taas.
Did you brought some toys for him in the car?
His cars are there. Sapado. Picture.
hey, you guys!
Kamusta? Ikaw,
Kamusta? Hey, ikaw no kaki.
sige.
Photo. Yay.
Hey, you. Ay,
Hey.
picture.
Hey, you guys!
Dahil na.
Tama na mama, may.
Halika na. Kuyawan ni Inday Garnet ay nakasalamin man. Para sa guys? Para sa mga wrinkles. Hindi magaganyan yung ulo natin. How many hours? 1 hour and 7 minutes. Papunta sa zoo na yun.
You cannot be poopy. You can be poopy. You can be poopy. You can be poopy. You can be
Yes, mahal. You know what he's singing, right? You can eat poopy. You can eat poopy.
Or at the pop shop, meet me in the moonlight, or in the daylight. I'm so in love with you. 1 hour later. Magkain muna tayo. Huwag masyado malayo. Dahan-dahan lang ang lakad. Hintayin si Mama at Papa. Wildlands MN Zoo. Wow! Fish! What is that? Gutom na ikaw? Nathan, gutom ka na? Gutom ka na, Papa? Gutom? Hindi ka naintindihan. Saan? Ay, magpunta tayo sa butterfly. Komar. Oh, Jonggola. Chididi Kongkwaila.
You can go to the spaces
Ah,
where you couldn't go
Buchiki.
before.
Oh, which one?
Where the Barbie doesn't go.
Oh, yeah. Oh. But siya dar. May ahas. There, you see? Oh, look, Bebela. What is that? Oh, butterfly. Fly. Ayun, ano sila doon? Punta doon. Oh. The butterfly. Ay, we go to Papa Nathan. Koma. Nathaniel. Super busy. Mga butterflies po to dito. Hi! Anong nakita mo doon? What is that?
There was supposed to be not the gecko, but another one.
Yeah, I don't know.
The reptile in there.
Yeah.
But we did not see it.
Not toko.
Yeah, toko.
Toko. In the forest. Look of all the bamboos in the world.
What is that?
Yeah, you can go there if you want.
What is that?
I don't know. Tara, tara. Punta tayo doon. Tingnan natin. Oh, what is this?
Let's come on.
Wow.
Lamp.
Yeah, eh. Saan na tayo natan? Hintayin mo si Mama! Hintayin mo ako! Help me! Help me! Papa! Oy! Oy! Diyos ko, Lord! Da na.
Sila?
Da na, Papa. Oh! Wala na. Kakarating pa lang namin. Nakabihis na siya. Rumi-rumi niya na. Natumba. Binihisan ko na kaagad. Wala ka ng damit. Mag-ingat na. Last na yan na damit mo, okay? Thank you. Anong kakaroon? Saan tayo? Diyan na. Oh, what do they have here? Look.
Is here
Mga unggoy, guys. Elephant. Oh, there. Look. You see? Big elephants. Medyo malayo pa sila. Puntahan natin yan sila yung malapitan mamaya. Andoon na sila ng tatay niya. Nathan! Sus, pag nahulog. Natayang damit, guys. Suotin niya ulit yung marumi niya na damit. Isa lang ang dinala kong extra. Tigi isa. Medyas. Brief. Pantalon at t-shirt. Wow! Hey, Kutor! Now, was that look?
Yeah.
Oh. Ingat pa, ingat. Uy, Diyos ko. Gabi nga ka-overwhelmed. Overwhelmed kayo.
Just having fun.
Yeah. Kalibre na naman ang pa-zoo nyo for today's vlog. Oh, that is for the photo. Yeah. Uy, may tindahan na ayo. Meron kayong Red Horse? Tingnan do. Anong meron sila dyan? Meron kayo Red Horse? Agoy-agoy nakakita ng ice cream. Not yet, not yet. Magkain muna tayo. Mamaya magkain tayo ice cream. Dali na. You want something there, my love?
I'll wait until we're in the big restaurant.
Nay, mamaya, okay? Sa big restaurant. We go here inside. Rimbula River. Oh, what's inside? Look. Look. Oh, look. Oh. Uy, may itlog. And here. Itlog. Oh. Dito naman ay bird feeding. Ayan, papakain po sila ng mga ibon. Do you want to feed the birds?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait lang, magtanong tayo kay Papa. Tingnan mo ang bird sa ulo ni ni Uncle. Ayun oh, of the hope. Pandamenir. See ya? Of meat. Ayun guys, oh, yan. Pakain po sila ng mga ibon. Pinabili ko ng pagkain si Daniel para magpakain din po si Nathan. Pila na po siya. Ewan magkano yan ang pagkain ng ibon. Hoy, gusto mo magbigay ng pagkain sa mga ibon? Or not?
I got icicle.
Mamaya na. Relax lang tayo sa ice cream. Tingnan nyo sa ulo ng babae, guys. Nagpunta din sa ulo niya, oh. Hmm? Do you want on your head the bird? No? Okay. Ayun, oh, sa ulo niya. No. You want that?
No.
No. Why not? Ay, Papa, oh, Papa. Tingnan si Daniel, guys. Bago pa naman tayong ligo, guys. Baka maanuhan din ang ulo natin, mataihan tayo, maitihan. Yan, kay Daniel, guys. Yan nyo. Oh! Ang picture ko si Daniel, oh. Nag-selfie. Yeah, that can talk. Oh! Give Nathan my love.
They will fly at him, he will...
Hala, poop. Ah! Kijk, Nathan, kijk. Kijk naar papa. Hala, poop.
Poop everywhere.
Kijk, Nathan. Tama naar papa. Hala, nanigas ang ano. Kijk maar. Hala, natakot si Nathan. Yeah, give him daw one mahal. He wants one. Hey, Pakmar, Nathan, Pakmar. Oh. Kijk hier naar.
Do you have wipes with you?
No. Hala, you have poop everywhere, mahal.
Yeah, I know. I have poop everywhere. No.
Now, Clar. Na, dali na, kay baka ba tayo pa ang matayihan dito.
Toen ging papa ga je even mis.
Ja, eh? Now, what's that load?
Ja.
Yeah, hello.
Do I have more poop?
No, I don't have poop.
My hand?
No, you don't have poop on you. No.
No. Okay.
What's that fun? You like it? The poop?
They are so loud.
Ando na si Nathan.
I think that will be very nice footage.
Yeah.
Nice memory.
Did you?
I got one selfie when I was in line and there was one on my shoulder.
Yeah.
But then I had to cut the photo. But
Yeah.
did you see they all came to me?
Yeah.
Because before I saw them feeding, they have like one or two, but they all came to
Yeah.
me.
You're deaf now.
I'm deaf now.
Alam nyo, meron silang mga papaya dito, mga buko, at saka may mangga, kasi indoor po to siya, no? Ayan, indoor yan,
Oh
guys.
yeah, last time you got the green manga.
Yeah, green mangga. Ilaw na mangga po dito, nakakuha ako. May mga paganito pa sila. Ingat ha, ingat. Very good. Anong meron dito? Wow! Very moy-moy palaboy.
Mag ik met jou in de brug?
In the brook? Yeah, that constructs. Oh, monkeys! Kijk! May mga ano po din dito, mga unggoy. Baka may mga panangka din yan sila dito, no? Ano pa ba? May saging din po akong nakita dito. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, guys.
Voorzichtig naar dat.
Bar. Voorzichtig naar? Tingin, ay, lala, monkey, bibilang, kijk. Yes. Hallo, zeg maar hallo.
Hallo. Wat gaat hij doen?
Plassen en poepen.
Waarom?
Hmm?
Waarom?
Look. Ito yung sinasabi kong mangga. Dito po ako nakakuha ng mangga dati. Pero walang bunga. Ayan, may bunga, guys. Pero hindi natin maabot. May bunga. Let's go inside, yeah. Punta na muna tayo sa mga pa-restaurant po nila. Kain muna kami.
I can go to the toilet first to wash my arm.
Yeah.
Open.
No, magkain muna tayo ng ano, normal. Okay? Tapos mamaya mag-ice siya. Dali na. All the restaurants in the world. Ito yung Asian. Tingnan nyo, may kanin po yan. May noodles. We go to the grill station, baby love. Here. May mga salad. Doon sa labas, mamaya, magkain muna tayo, okay? Pag sure, magkain muna. Kaya para meron kang energy. Kaya kung wala kang energy, hindi ka makalaro. And excuse me. Kasabi ko na meron silang chicken nuggets. Nagbago ang isip niyo. Napatingin ko siya. Oh. You want chicken nuggets or not?
I will take chicken nuggets.
Ha?
We'll take chicken nuggets.
You want?
Yeah. Will chicken nuggets.
Yes. He also wants chicken nuggets.
And this?
And you too. Meron din po silang mga cake. Anong gusto mo? Cake or chicken nuggets? Oh! What is this? Look! Oh! Look at that, baby love. Dito po tayo sa pa-Asian. Magkanin siguro ako. Look at that, guys. Pangpatay gutom ang ating serving. Ipaluto pa po natin yan. Palagyan ng noodles or rice.
What's the sauce do you want?
Chili garlic soup.
Chili garlic
Yeah.
for both?
Yeah, both. Hello? Saan ang pagkain mo? Oh, in the bag. Oh? Ano yan? Kids menu po nila nung nasa bag. With rice and with noodles. And for Nathan, umaanghang yan.
Even with the fries.
Yeah.
Because they don't take orders, and then just they do a big one in one. They only take 2 orders, do the whole orders, and then the next one. Here's my love.
Yeah. Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Natong special.
Why did you put the spicy?
Grabe ang rice, guys. Malala pa sa NC.
Which rice is better? Our rice or this rice?
Our rice.
Well, that's good because our rice is more expensive.
This is worse than the...
Then the jeep?
It's like stone. It's like balat.
I like it. Thank you.
May noodles yung kay Daniel.
Thank you for making a nice one for me.
Enjoy, family.
See, I know, mahal.
Fulfill?
I know I can trust you when I'm telling you to just make me a nice
Ikaw kasi
ramen
magpilit.
noodles.
Nathan! Nathan! Pinalaro na po muna namin siya dito. Grabe yung kanin. Hindi ko kinain, guys. Kay grabe talaga katigas. Kakaiba na pagka-grabe. Hindi din tinikman ni Daniel. Kaya yun na daw masira ang ang kinain niya. Ang lasa ng kinain niya. Kaya masarap daw yung noodles niya. Grabe ka, sapla. Ano siya ba yung parang balas? Patulong na sa tatay niya. Nag-call, na siya? Nag-call a father. 1, 2, 3, picture. 1,
I need to duck.
Poro, siya. Uy.
Because look, where's my face? Maybe you can do this. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Doro man siya. Uy. Agud one. 1, 2, 3. And kiss me. Torid. Kasarap ng buhay dito. Magpupo lang tayo, magtingin-tingin sa kanya. Dami kasi siyang kalaro din, oh. Kabisi po dito today. Meron kasi silang paway. What happened? He hit the other kid?
He went on the slide, but the other kid was still on the slide.
Ay, mangga, mahal. There. Mangga.
Where?
No, you cannot really see.
I cannot see.
Indoor po to siya, guys. No, that's not mangga. So when it's winter, mahal, it's like this too? No heater here, mahal?
I don't know if they have a heater here. Maybe they do. Sometimes they do.
When it's winter.
But when it's winter, they will close those.
Oh, yeah.
So the cold air doesn't go inside.
Yeah. Dali na, maglinya tayo para sa boat. Here is the boat. Look. Linya, guys. Ba? Linya na siya, guys. There is the boat. The boat, the boat, the boat. Mukha man silang hindi nag-enjoy, guys. Gusto mo dyan kay Papa? Dyan ka mag-upor, dito kay Mama. Dito kay... Oh, look at that, everyone. Kiss me again because they did not see.
Good. What is that?
What is that? Oh! Hala, the Tintin Nathan, look! Hala, the Tintin.
Wat zegt hij? Gaan we naar buiten?
Yeah. Wala ang mga elephant, guys. Nasa labas po sila. Madalas nandito din yan sila ng elephant.
Gaan we naar buiten?
Ja, we gaan ook naar buiten.
Naar de elefant?
Naar de elephant. Olifant.
Gaan we naar de olifant?
Ja,
Naar de olifant?
buiten.
Naar de buiten de olifant?
Diyos ko, Lord, bago ko lang sinabi siya iyo.
Naar de buiten?
Baby love, nag-enjoy ka dito? Enjoy! Okay, mama, at papa. Kamadar. At papa. Akyat sila dyan, guys, oh. Bye-bye! Enjoy!
There's an extra exit on the end there. We can go out there, or you can wait here for long. Then we go up there.
No, I will go there in the exit. Dyan sila, oh. Mag-akyat-akyat dyan. Doon tayo sa ano, kabilang exit. Dyan po tayo galing, oh. Nasa labas ang mga elephant. Labas po tayo mamaya. Makita din natin yan sila. Tingnan yung mga papuno, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Na makakita ka ng mga ganyang puno dito sa Netherlands. Wala ba yan sa labas? Wala. Papaya. Dito naman, ice cream man. Oh, yummy. Dito ko na po sila hintayin. Message, i-ano natin kay Daniel B na nandito tayo. Ando na si Nathan, guys. So, Nathan! Nathaniel! Where's the next exit, mahal? Nathan! Kita niya ang ice cream.
Nathan,
I'm going. Okay. Get him an ice cream. Pila din ang taon siya, guys. Oh.
chocolate, caramel, and cherry.
Sour. Ati.
Sour?
No.
No, it's sour.
You like it, Bella? Ubus niya, oh. Are you enjoying my love? Are you enjoying my love?
Super unhealthy day in the zoo. Yay!
Are you enjoying baby love?